Hey guys, happy Monday. We just had some storms come through. We're gonna get another round here later on. What I wanted to do is plant some of my broccoli that I bought today from HEB into one of the raised beds where unfortunately my lettuce nor my romaine came up. Here is the broccoli, and there are 6 broccoli plants in here. So as you can see here, the hollyhocks are all in the back. You see some marigolds kind of on the far side, and then this side here, my zucchini is over there. I had planted romaine here and then lettuce, and like I said, nothing has come up, and by this time something should have came up by now. So let's go ahead and probably plant maybe 3 of them in here. I had and planted the 3 broccoli there. So I have 3 broccoli plants left. We're gonna go ahead and plant 2 over here by my rose bush and my rosemary. And then we're gonna plant 1 over in the barrel that's got some plants and flowers. So our little experiment, we're gonna see how they turn out. We're probably gonna have to pass because I just picked up some of the stones over there and there's fire ants. So that's a big no-no. We're gonna leave that alone for a bit. We have option number 2 to go ahead and plant one of the plants right here. And again, we'll see how they do. They might do absolutely terrible, but they might do really good too. Do we dare put one in here if I moved both of these over? What do you think? Should we just give it a try and see what happens? Here's this one. I'm gonna give it a good try. Hopefully it will grow wonderfully. There's that one. Something funny but not funny. I had a little oops. Oh, forget it. Now I really had an oops. This came off and now this all fell apart and hit the ground. So I lost one. I wonder what would happen if I just stuck it in here. There's a little bit of roost. Just try it. Oh man, I need the button that like beeps at me for garden fail. But what if it would like grow? There, we'll see. So proof here, I just put it back in. Oh boy. We're gonna see how these all grow. Maybe none of them will, maybe they all will, maybe half will. We have a storm coming back in again. So till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.